So first of all, the entire notion of competition is kind of anathema to the spirit of skating. It's really about individual expression and going out and doing something because you love it and because it's really you get out of it personally. It's not necessarily to be judged against your peers. But competitions do provide a great way for people to come together and to sort of push their limits. So then the challenge becomes, well, how do you come up with a competition format that is more representative of the spirit of skating and that allows the skaters to skate kind of in a more natural way as opposed to putting a spotlight on them alone for 60 seconds and hoping that they land, 12 tricks in a 60-second run.
Yesterday's panel, I got to see the end of it, and it was really cool to see like Nils and Johan and talk about events. And one of the questions you had was, how do you still make a living? Or not you, sorry, Joseph, was like, if you're still able to make a living off skating, and everyone up there was able to do it because you found a way. You just find a way, You're like what I said earlier, so passionate about something. When it to be alive in your life, you make it happen. You have your shop. Nils has his events. Still skating, always still skating, but finding a way. And that was really inspirational yesterday, by the way. I just wanted to say that.
Yeah, what they said.
Make some noise for the head losers! And it's gonna be 100 beers for the winner! We have backflip time! Come on, guys! Backflip!
Now let's get it all in perspective. For all y'all enjoyment, a song y'all can step with. Y'all appointed me to bring rap justice, but I ain't 5-0, y'all know it's not yo. Great groups and a whole lot of hydro. Only describe us as soldiers survivors. Stay laced in the best, well dressed with finesse in the white tee, looking for wifey. Dumb girl can fly and talk so nicely. Put her in the coupe so she can feel the nice breeze. We can drive through the city, no doubt, but don't say my car's topless. Say the titties is out. No miss, here's the anthem. Put your hand up that you shoot with, count your loot with. Push the pool stick in your new crib, same hand that you hoop with. Swing around like you stupid. King of the town, yeah, I've been there. You know I click clack, where you and your men's at? Through the smurf, through the wop, baseball bat. Rooftop like we bringing 88 back. This ain't rapping, this is street hop. Now get up off your ass like your seat's hot. My live niggas lit up the reefer. Truck in the car, we got the street sweeper. Don't start none, won't be none. No reason for your mans to panic. You don't wanna see no ambulances. Knock a pimp straight down in his pimp cup. That's the way you get Timberland up. Let the music diffuse all attention. Ball up convention, free admission. Hustlers, stealers, and killers can move swift. Girls get close, you can feel where the tools kept. All my just coming homies, parolees. Get money, leave the people alone slowly. Get out my face, you people so loaded. Pull out my waist, the eagle fofo.
Stop the music, not the microphone. Sweet, yes. So, the winner, ladies and gentlemen, you have a wild card for the Pro Qualification Winterclash. Romeo! Winner of the Eindhoven Super Bowl is Romeo Cad pour le pro Winterclash. Make some noise for Romeo! Everybody make some noise for Romeo!
Just in general, I'm a person that doesn't hold on to anything, whether it's good or bad. Like if I win a contest, I'm not gonna, for the next 2 years, be like, remember when I won that contest? There's only one way to go, and it's forward. And so for me, skating taught me that by, working on tricks for hours at a time and, falling over and over and over and then finally getting it. So in my opinion, that's kind of how you have to deal with anything. If you spend too much time focused on what isn't there, you're missing opportunities to create something new or different in its way.
It's a story of long, long ago.
Yo, another day, another dollar. We live legendary. Travel the world by any means necessary. Fresh wallabies, black suede Gucci roll. X marks the spot, and I travel the globe. Hit the road, splash the university. They call me liquid ghost, I move like mercury. No hurting me, I burn to the third degree.
What's it take to burn that formula?
Purposely, I revealed the features. My road dogs walk, I got goons in the bleachers. To each his own, I flip like a 90s phone. Fuck around, you catch stars in the time zone. Slaying mics with my Wu-Tang trilogy. 36 to Cuban links, it's all pillage B. You know the history, burn like a rotisserie. Clan in the front, chest boxing is the mystery.
Clan in the front. We want the killer.
My tailor's a killer.
We can defeat any competition anywhere in the world.
Worldwide, 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 worldwide,
47 and 365.
worldwide, worldwide.
Sit around, watch the war. I set the microphone on fire.
I admire your confidence. What do we do in the meantime?
So we move like militants, Saudi Arabians, red flag in airports, banned by Canadians, kicked out of stadiums, followed by hip-hop police show. I got a cease and desist, big eagle on the wrist. They think it's a weapon, so I melt the shit down to the day of redemption. Not to mention, my pension's 8 tons of gold. Wu-Tang Clan, 100 niggas on the road. Move with such power and power, such movement. Sold out shows for years, we move units. We make the crowd chant, Wu-Tang forever. Shoot for the sun, moon, and stars, I load dippers.
You are pioneering a method.
For lost wax process. Their integrity is our destination.
Worldwide, worldwide, no matter where you are. Worldwide, worldwide, indeed. Worldwide, worldwide, here we go, y'all. Worldwide, worldwide, you on the rise.
We're doing Winterclash for 14 years, and it's going on, and kind of sometimes it's the same, sometimes it's different. And this year, myself, and the whole crew, we really found our skate kits again. Like I just felt like a skate kid again when I started thinking about these panels and who to invite and what to do. And then when Chris replied, when John replied, when Arlo replied, and then AJ replied, and everything. So everything, the whole puzzle turned into the Winterclash 2018, and I turned into this little skate kid. And all I was hoping for to just find someone else to run the show, to be hammered and enjoy it myself. Which is unfortunately not happening, but I just want to thank you to you. Yeah, thanks to you guys, to you, to everyone who's here, because it really feels like something. This is the event I dreamed about back in 2004, and now it finally starts to become what I ever imagined it, a true festival with the spirit and everything. And you guys talking and telling your stories just made me and probably more people in the room really emotionally. So thanks to you guys for what you're doing for the sport.
I was there at the very beginning of rollerblading in the 90s. Rollerblading was not a very beautiful thing to look at. I mean, we dressed pretty terribly. We had some questionable hairstyles. And the tricks themselves were very unrefined. It was a limited trick vocabulary, and most of the tricks we were doing were not executed very stylishly. Hand striking on the ground, things like that. It just did not look great. But there was always a promise and a dream of what rollerblading could be. And as someone who watches the sport and sees it now, what rollerblading is now is a thing that was always promised. It's big and stylish and dangerous and technical and creative and all done like beautiful. And that motivates me to be able to come to something like this. And also to bring my daughter, to show her this thing that's given me so much all these years. Now she gets to see it and experience what I've been able to see all these years. When we used to drive around and look at things that looked impossible, we'd say, one day I bet there's going to be people that are going to be able to do something on that rail or whatever. Now it's true, nothing is off limits. Skaters can do anything. So I couldn't be more proud of where rollerblading is now.